Moshi Moshi.
Hey, I'm Lizette from Crochet Designs, and I'm going to show you how to do a Picot. And I did not know how to pronounce that. I had to Google it. And here is one already done on the end. So it makes a little peak, and I'm about to show you how to do another. My little batlet pattern. It's a bat bracelet. Purple. Okay, so I just finished doing a double crochet. First thing you do is chain 2. Now some patterns will have, a chain 3. It doesn't really matter how many chains you do. It's what happens next that will make the picot. We've got our 2 chains. Then you can see at the base of the chain 2, so here's 1 chain, 2 chain, okay? You're gonna go through just the front of those 2. Okay, so again, you did your chain 2, chain 1, chain 2, and then you see these 2 here and here. You're going to go through that and then slip stitch through both and through the loop on your hook. So now you can see there's a little peak made. It's not as noticeable now, but once you do your next stitch, you're going to see it even more. Okay, so the next was a double, so I'm going to do that just to show you what it looks like. So a regular double crochet, and then a single, and then there's a little point. So one here and one there. Again, so I'm not following the pattern at this point, but let's just pretend we want to do another picot right here. So for this pattern, we're going to chain 2. Here's my chain 1, my chain 2. We're going to go through these 2 loops in the front, like that. I'll try to give you another angle here to look at. And then you slip stitch all the way through. So through those 2 and the one on your hook. And then let's just do a random stitch here so you can see it. See, so I did 2 now. One there, one there. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Hope this helped, and enjoy making your little batlets. And please tag me if you post any pictures, because I like to see the ones you guys make with my pattern. He's got little earrings because he's hardcore, He's got a little bite mark in his ear because he's been through some stuff. Probably fighting with this one. But they get along most of the time. Thanks for watching, and you can hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you didn't find it helpful, you can hit the like button, and you can also subscribe and hit the little bell, because you won't get an email if you just subscribe and you don't hit the little bell thing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Moshi Moshi.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?